Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate DigitalOcean App Platform for APIs step by step clearly. To activate DigitalOcean App Platform for APIs, begin by logging into your DigitalOcean account. Once you've logged in, navigate to the control panel. Look for that Apps section in the sidebar. Click on the Create App button. Choose the repository containing your API code. Make sure to select the option that corresponds to the programming language your API is built with. Set the environment type to production. Continue to the next step by clicking Next. In the Build Settings section, configure the build command if needed. Specify the output directory where your built files will be located. You can set up automatic deployment from the repository by enabling the toggle. Once your settings are correct, click on Next to proceed. In the service settings, define your service type as HTTP or worker, depending on your API's requirements. Input the name for your service, which will be used to identify it within the platform. Set the instance size according to your anticipated load and performance needs. Navigate to the Environment Variables section to add any necessary variables that your API might require. Click on Add Variable and provide a name and value for each variable. Review the summary of your application settings to ensure everything is correct. If all details are accurate, click the Create Resources button. DigitalOcean will start provisioning your application. Wait for the build process to complete. Once the build is successful, your application will be live. Take note of the generated URL for your API service. Test the API by sending requests to the URL provided. Your DigitalOcean App Platform for APIs is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.